Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about this super cute box that I found for my daughter. This is called Kidpik. This is what the box looks like. It is a company that you fill out this style quiz online for your daughter or whoever, and kind of tell them a little bit about what she likes, her style, her colors, her patterns, whether she likes pants or dresses or shirts the best. The style quiz talks about if she is more sporty or more chic or more trendy. So you pick out all of these things during the style quiz and they assign you a stylist. They pick out about 7 items to send to you. You can pick how often they come. We picked monthly for Allison to try this out, and the company sends you these items. You try them on and then you decide if you want to keep them or not. If you want to keep them, then obviously you pay for them. If you don't, then you send them back. Shipping is free. They send a bag to ship everything back that you don't want, so you don't have to pay a thing. If you get it and you don't like it, not a big deal, just send it on back. So I wanted to share with you some of the things that came in Allison's box, and I'm going to let her do the unboxing of this package and tell you what's in it and show you what she got this month. So first there's this little card that comes with it. Let's see if we can get the camera to focus here. And it says that it's from Kidpik, and it says, "Thank you for letting us style Allie. We hope you both love everything, and we can't wait to create another special box for Allison." Now, if you do decide to keep these items, there are prices listed inside this little pamphlet that is sent with the package. There is one column of prices that says how much each piece is if you decide to keep it. However, if you decide to keep the whole box, then you get 30% off each item on this list. So they actually end up being a lot cheaper. You'll see, for example, this shirt that she gets in the box. Regular price is $17.50 if she decides that she likes it and she wants to keep it. But should she choose to like everything in the box and want to keep everything, then the price drops to $12.25. So I'm looking at all of these prices, and there are some pieces that are a little bit more expensive and some pieces that are pretty darn affordable. On the website, they say that if you decide to keep the whole box and you get the 30% off, that each piece averages out to about $13.50 per item. But there are actually some items on here that are over that. Like if Allison kept the whole box, this cute little furry jacket is $34.65. So that's kind of on the upper end of what you would pay for like an 11-year-old's fashion jacket, in my opinion. Just because, I mean, 11-year-olds, they're kind of at that in-between stage where they're not really little kids, but they're not really a teenager either. So it's not like they're going to go roll around in the dirt, but Allison still plays around outside quite a bit, and she's still at that stage where she can ruin an outfit or shoes like nobody's business if she is not paying attention. So I don't know that I would necessarily want to spend $34.65 on a jacket for her. If you bought the jacket by itself, it has it listed for $49.50, which, you know, again, is a little bit more than I would probably want to spend on a fashion jacket. Now, if we're talking like heavy winter coat, then okay. But fashion jacket that you're just going to wear with a dress or, you know, something fancy, probably not. And the shoes that came with it, each box comes with a pair of shoes. The shoes are priced at $39.50. That came in this month's package, and should she decide to keep the whole box, it drops the price down to $27.65. So, you know, there are a few items in here that average out to 13 something dollars, but there are 2 or 3 pieces in here that are a little bit overpriced, I think. I think that I could probably find a pair of shoes like this, like at Target maybe, for probably half that price for her age. And with as much as she messes up things, I don't know that I'm likely to pay $39.50 for a pair of fashion shoes for her. Great tennis shoes? Yes. I would probably spring for that because that's something that she would wear quite often. But fashion shoes, not so much. Anyway, I'm going to hand this over to Allison and let her tell you a little bit about what's in the box and show you what she got this month. Stay tuned.
Okay, I'm gonna unbox this kidpik. I've never opened one of these boxes. Okay, it says this box is for me. We hope you love everything. It's like a little heart. There's oh gosh. You can read it. And there's like this little black heart, and it says kidpik. Oh my gosh, how do I open this? Did I just rip it? First thing I see are these cute little keychains, and look, there's a butterfly. That's so cute. Yay. I love this. I'm gonna put this on later. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Wait, hold on. If it's flipping, I'm just gonna be happy. Oh, it flips. Yay. Say anything? No, just flips. It's this cute little, this kid's pick, medium, 10, my size. So cute. Mom! Look at this. This little, oh my gosh, look at that. Like below the pockets, they have flowers. That's cute. Now I even see anything. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It's so cute. Wow. I like it. I feel the fuzziness of this fuzzy jacket. These will go so good with these pants or these little flower ones. That shirt. I love it. It's so fuzzy. Okay, there's thanks you for letting us style Allie. I hope you both love everything. We can wait to create another special box just for Allie. Has all these things that I have. Ooh. What's this? It even has like a little bag if you don't like everything. Send it back. Oh, that's as far as it goes. There. Wow. This little zipper with little stars on it. What size are they? This kidpik. Oh, they're twos. That's pretty much it. And there's yeah, that's all.
Okay, so that about wraps it up. Allison has went through the box and shown you kind of what is in it to give you an idea of what comes in this kidpik box. She has decided that she does not like the whole box. First of all, she does not like skirts. They sent her a skirt. That was my bad. I put it on her style profile that she probably wouldn't mind getting skirts. Fail. Mom fail. Anyway, what I'm getting at is you can go back on your online profile and change the style quiz. So now I can go back on and say she does not want to receive skirts, and they won't be sending any more skirts. Not a big deal. She didn't care for the sequins shirt. I guess it was white. She's not a big, huge fan of white. She didn't care for the shoes. She said they looked a little bit too little kid for her with the stars on them. So she did decide to keep the fuzzy jacket, which is the most expensive item that I was talking about. I was really kind of hoping she wasn't going to want the jacket. And she did decide to keep the dress. And she loved the little keychain, and of course the bracelet was free as a gift in this box. So we're going to be keeping the jacket and the dress and the keychain, and we're going to be sending everything else back. And then I kind of am excited to see what comes next month. Now that we've changed her style quiz to say that she does not want any skirts, let's see what happens next month. I hope you liked this video and found it informative. I thought that it would be nice to share with other moms because I don't know about you guys, but shopping with my kids sometimes is like a suicide mission. I realize that you do have to take them, especially when they're in these stages where they're kind of in between sizes, which Allison is. And so sometimes I will buy her things in a size that she wears, and it's just a huge fail. It's either too big or too small, especially shoes. I do not like buying stuff like that without her with me. But the process of taking them into the store sometimes is really painful. I don't know if I'm the only one that feels this way, but it can be very stressful taking your kids shopping. So I think that's one of the things that attracted me to this box is that they send it to you in the mail. You fill out what you like. There's a stylist that picks out everything. You don't have to go anywhere. It's delivered right to your door. Doesn't cost you a thing. There's no stylist fees like on other, similar websites that do this for adults. You don't have to pay a styling fee. You don't have to pay any shipping, even if you're shipping it back. They pay all of that. So I was like, well, what do you have to lose? You may as well try it and see if she likes it. And if she finds a few pieces of clothing that she likes every month, fantastic. Then she can kind of build up her wardrobe. And also, you can change how often your boxes come. So let's say 2 or 3 months down the road, she's gotten, a fair amount of little pieces to add to her wardrobe. We can kind of push it back a little bit, put it on hold, and maybe, every 3 months have them send a box. So you can change the frequency of when things come. And that was kind of attractive to me as well. So I just wanted to put this out there for all of you other moms who struggle with taking your kids shopping and maybe get a little bit stressed out. This seems like it would be a nice alternative. Anyway, hit the like button below if you liked this video or found it useful or helpful. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below so that you can be notified when we post new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video.